Okay, so I'm going to do a short clip for you guys, a little collage while I'm working out. You know I told you I needed an MP3 player and I wanted you guys' recommendation on it and everything. This is what I have to do while I work out. So I got my laptop sitting over here. Throw my set of earphones on. Give me some music rolling to keep myself pumped and motivated. Have my P90X on the TV. Find something. Let's go for Eye of the Tiger. So imagine going through this every time you want to work out. This is why I want an MP3 player. And so when I run, I don't really have anything going on either. So here we go. So, in the meantime, stay strong, live long, P90X, and we'll see you for the next update. See you guys.